guys, welcome back. So I just did a little bit of unnecessary shopping and I figure I'd share with you guys. I am so bored. My husband is working outer island. My kids are in school, so I wanted to just get out of the house. And so I'm just gonna show you quickly what I got. One of the things that I need was a new headband to pull my hair back when I do my makeup. Somebody stole my other one. I'm not gonna mention any names, but that is the reason why I had to get another one. I also grabbed some hair clips because right now I either have like tiny clips or like jumbo clips. I needed one that was just in between, so this is kind of a medium size for my mane because I have a ton of hair and it's so heavy. And then for the kitchen, I got some kitchen shears. I used to have 2 pairs and one grew legs and ran away. I don't know where it went, and the one that I am stuck with is not the best one, so I wanted to get a new one. And then I also needed a new spatula, and this was a little dual set, which is kind of nice. Okay, that was the necessary portion of shopping. Now to share with you the unnecessary shopping that I did. I don't buy decorations for every single holiday. One of the holidays I don't typically decorate for is Easter. But right now they have all the Easter stuff out. When you have children, you always want to do a little extra just to make them happy. Because I remember when I was a kid, anytime my parents brought out decorations, it just lights up that spirit in you and get so excited. It just makes you overall happy. I know my kids notice when I buy new decorations, and I'm not gonna go more than decorating our dining table. I just wanted something small that I could make it a little more festive. First thing I found was this ceramic Easter egg, and it just says Happy Easter. And then I'm planning to have this kind of be the centerpiece. I'm gonna place it in some kind of platter or bowl, and around it I'm gonna put these little eggs, which I think are so cute. They're like the size of a little bigger than quail eggs. It has like a teal and blue theme to it. It says there's 56 little eggs in there, so I'm gonna have the mini eggs surround the big egg. We'll see how it turns out. I had the vision while I was shopping, but I don't know really what it's gonna look like. And I found these cute carrots. They're like very plush pillow material, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I plan to incorporate it on the dining table as well, so again, we'll see. Once I get home, I'm gonna mess with it and I'll show you guys what I come up with. I guess you can call that my mini Easter haul. Okay, I need to go home. I'm home now and I played around with my dining table trying to figure out how the Easter decorations would lay out nicely, and my vision didn't come to life because I just couldn't figure it out. So this is what I got. I placed this wooden board underneath it. I laid out the shredded paper that came out of the egg container. It was on the bottom. I placed the main Happy Easter ceramic egg in the center, and then I had these 2 ceramic cylinders which I just filled up with the mini eggs, and it was the perfect amount. As for my carrots, I'm thinking about returning them because I didn't notice in the store that these are actually all glued together. It's a bundle. I was planning to separate them and possibly put one in each of the cylinder, but clearly that won't work out, so I'm thinking about returning this. Oh, and then I also added the mini fairy lights, which, I don't know where else to put the battery box, but I'm just hiding it behind my, I don't even know what these are called. I don't know, pyramids, I guess you would call them, that I bought last year, and it's been on our dining table for pretty much every occasion. So I just put them on the ends there. Simple, but still festive, right? This video. It was a short and sweet one. I already have some videos lined up and uploaded. My next one will be out next week, Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.